Meaning of hot button.
Hot button.
Hot button.
Hot button.
Hot button. The term hot button typically refers to a sensitive or controversial issue that elicits strong emotional reactions from people. It can be used in a variety of contexts, from politics to personal relationships, and is often associated with topics such as religion, race, or sex. A hot button issue can easily provoke heated debates, arguments or conflicts among individuals or groups with differing opinions. It is important to handle such issues with sensitivity and respect in order to avoid escalating tensions and harming relationships.